Is heart rate tracking wearable technology's killer app? This is what Withings is gambling on with its new Move ECG. The Move ECG is the latest in a long line of wearables from the French company, but with a twist. This time around, it's got an ECG built in. Now, this is a feature that really has only been available on the Apple Watch Series 4 and only for a very limited amount of time so far. Withings, on the other hand, is a big fan of analog watches that are stylish, they go on your wrist, and they don't look like a gadget. The Move ECG itself is quite a dainty and good-looking watch. And all you have to do is grab the bezel for about 20 seconds and it will take an ECG.
Okay, so I'm just putting my hand on the watch, and thanks to the 3 electrodes, 2 on the back and 1 on the ring, I will have a real-time ECG starting on my phone. The measurement only lasts 20 seconds, and at the end of the measurement, I have in the app the explanation if I have detection of AFib or not. So here I have a normal sinus rhythm, for example. You can easily recheck this record of ECG and see all your history of ECG records, and easily share a PDF with your doctor.
For a watch packing an ECG, you may be expecting to pay $200 or $300, but Withings has actually priced this bad boy at just $129. At the same time, Withings is also going after those people who want their watch to match their personality. There's an ECG-free version of the Move that's just called the Move, and for $69, you can buy a Swatch-like, pretty tidy activity and fitness tracking watch. But you can also go online and just like something like Nike ID, you can customize it. Initially, there are 5 different straps and 20 or 30 different band options, but that's going to grow over the next year to a series of combinations that will give you up to 3,000 different ways to change your watch. And all you have to do is go online, order it, and it'll cost just a little bit more than $69, and then you can get a watch that's pretty unique to you. If you're interested in getting the customizable non-ECG version of the Move, you can actually pre-order it from today from the Withings website. Shipping for that will take around 5 weeks, but should be faster once they get that bedded in. The ECG version will probably have to go through a few FDA clearances and all the rest of it, so isn't expected on the market until the second quarter of the year. If you want to know anything else about any of these products, go to Engadget.com and stick with us for all of the great stuff coming out at CES 2019.
You